Our partnership with Mindgate is more of co-creation than a vendor-customer partnership. We started this journey about 4 years back, and the relationship has only grown stronger with reinforcing of beliefs from both sides. While we have grown as a bank, they have grown as a technology company and are creating magic by generating new ideas and new technology solutions to power our UPI system. Using the UPI payment switch of Mindgate, we are processing more than 30 million transactions in a day. It is already doing more than 2,000 transactions per second. And the system is capacitized to do double that. We are also processing a lot of mega IPOs using the IPO processing engine. As you know, last year, Reserve Bank mandated that all IPO transactions have to be done through UPI. The obvious choice was the Mindgate switch. And once again, they have risen to the challenge and created an IPO processing engine, which has held us in good stead. Just this month, last 2 weeks, we processed 2 mega IPOs, which were processed almost effortlessly. And as you know, this IPO processing is no longer an individual bank ecosystem. It is a collaboration between us and the exchanges. It is an online real-time initiative of thousands and thousands, actually lakhs of transactions which happen within a short period of few days. We are now taking that to the next level of maturity. Jointly with Mindgate, we are re-architecting the UPI switch using Spring Boot framework. They have done a POC also in their labs. We will be converting some of the interfaces to microservices and deploying this on an on-premise, elastic, highly scalable cloud platform with capabilities to spin up additional containers based on seasonal spikes and workloads. Mind you, this is not as simple as it looks. It may look simple for the operations teams, but for the developers and for the implementing partners and for the team that is re-architecting this cloud-based solution, it is a very complex system, but which is being done very effortlessly by experts on both sides. These auto-scale features, which the on-premise cloud will offer, will not only help us to cater to dynamic growth needs, but will also result in cost-effective use of data center resources. Thank you.